Good evening, Steve. The U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia confirms that after careful review of the case, they will no longer be pursuing further prosecution of the McDonnells. U.S. attorneys said today they would not request another trial in light of June's U.S. Supreme Court decision that unanimously overturned the corruption convictions. McDonnell had been found guilty of exchanging gifts and loans for favors, but he maintained he did nothing he wouldn't do for other businesses and constituents. This eliminates the need for a lower appeals court to decide if there's enough evidence for another trial.
Governor McDonnell will hug his friends and family. I think the prosecutors in the Eastern District will probably take one on the chin and bounce back and be right back to being the aggressive, ethical prosecutors they've always been. This is an unmitigated loss for the government.
Former federal prosecutor and Williams-Mullen partner Charles James says the government aggressively pursued a unique case here, and now he expects they will keep going after corruption and bribery issues, but with a more constrained application of the law. And in the past several minutes, we received a statement from the McDonnell team, from him and his lawyers, celebrating this decision, saying this is a final day of vindication. Many people now will be asking, what are the next steps for McDonnell? At this point, he says the people and the policies are most important to him, no longer the politics and the polls. He says he has a new business, new grandchildren that he will be focusing on, new ministry opportunities. And of course, Steve, keep in mind, he should have full access back to his rights to vote and to practice law.